Welcome back, everyone. So glad to have you all here with us. Thank you for taking time out of your day to tune in. It sincerely means a lot to us. Today, we are talking about the grocery store giant that many of you may know of. We are talking Kroger. Thomas Hughes, who is here with me today, has followed Kroger for many years and thinks the stock is primed for value investors to buy. Thomas, how are things going for you today?
Oh, it's great today, Laycee. Thanks for having me here, and congratulations on your MarketBeat channel. I hear it's doing very well.
Thank you. It's so great to have you back with us today. All right, Thomas, I'm going to be real here. Kroger just isn't an exciting name. I don't think many will disagree with me on that. Can you give me a few reasons why the stock is so exciting right now? Convince me. What do you see that others, including myself, may not be seeing?
All right, let's get right to the chart with this one. Kroger is interesting right now because of the chart. And let's remember that this is an inexpensive, low valuation, blue chip dividend player. It's a slow growth company, highly visible. So it tends to trade along with trend. The market can really see where it's going, and it tends to trade in these pretty smooth trends. And we can see way back over here that a bottom was formed and an uptrend began even before the pandemic started. And the pandemic correction wasn't even more than a busy spot on the chart, not even really a pullback. And this trend has been trending higher, trending higher, trending higher, and it broke above this key resistance line. Now, you may think to yourself, and maybe some of our readers may think, he drew that line just today, so what's the big deal? That is not the case. Like you said before, I've been watching this thing for years, and I've been watching this line for years. And you can see that this line coincides with the high right here. It coincides with this tower reversal. It coincides with a breakout, a test of resistance, or a test of support, and another test of support. If we pull back to the monthly chart, we can see that that level is consistent with the highs set back in late 2015. So this is a very significant technical level. In regard to the breakout, it should be viewed as a strong support level. So right now what we have is a strong uptrend and a strong support level that have coincided and produced a bullish bounce. Now that bounce has been confirmed by today's results. The results were a little mixed, but mixed in the good way. The good way in which revenue missed, but only by a little bit, but margins were impressive and resulted in a large bottom line beat. That, combined with the guidance, resulted in a nice strong buy. Let's go to the daily chart. We'll get a better look at that one. A nice strong buy signal that has the price action above the 30-day moving average and trading right there. I'll zoom in on it. Trading right there at our trend line. This is just an example of how important technical analysis can be. You don't have to believe it, but I see these kinds of things happen every day to make me believe that the market has a great memory for these price levels that happened in the past. And when signals happen at these price levels, they're very, very significant. So what we have is confirming the bottom, confirming the bottom, confirming the bottom, and confirming the trend. What I see here is a great trend following signal developing that could have this stock moving higher well into the end of the year.
Thomas, what are the analysts saying? Just a heads up, our viewers are able to search for any analyst rating easily using MarketBeat's resources. I'll link down below for you if you want to check that out. So yes, Thomas, what is the talk?
Well, the analyst sentiment and the price target is trending higher, and that is a tailwind for the price action. Right now, the sentiment rating, the MarketBeat consensus rating is a firm hold verging on buy, but I would expect it to flip into a buy very soon. It'll only take one or two more upgrades, and the price target is leading the market higher. Right now, it's predicting a 20% upside and trending higher, so we can expect it to continue trending higher and to continue leading the price action higher as well.
Right. I know we can't predict the future, if only, right? But based on what you have explained here today, where do you think the stock is going to go now? No pressure. Don't get it wrong for us. Okay, Thomas?
All right. So assuming the market follows this signal, I think the trend is upward, and this stock could easily hit $52 or $56 by the end of the year. If following quarter results are good and continue to show improvements and growth, and if the Albertsons merger goes through, the stock could accelerate and easily retest the all-time highs before the end of the year.
All right, that concludes our discussion on Kroger today and the potential it holds for value investors. Thomas, thanks again for sharing your insights and expertise with us. Thank you for everyone who stayed until the end. Don't forget to check out all the resources I've included in the links down below. There will be a gem for everyone there, I promise you. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Otherwise, we will see you in the next one. Thanks again, Thomas.
Thanks, Laycee. Had a great time. See you next time.